Let's talk about absolute values for a second. We've got this function h of x that is an absolute value function, and we're asked to find what value of x causes h of x to equal x. So what I'm going to do here is take my h of x and say I want this h of x to equal x. So let me replace that with x, and then we'll solve the equation. So instead of h of x, I'm going to replace it with x. So when does that equal my h of x function? And then I just solve. Remember, when we're solving absolute values, all we need to do is take the absolute value and set it equal to the positive and negative of the output. And then we solve. So I have my first possible solution, and that's negative 180. I'm going to go check these later, but for now, that's my first solution. Let's solve our second equation to find that second solution. My second solution is 45 over 2. Now we do have some domain restrictions here. We do need to be careful with our values of x, so let's go back and check these. Let me erase what I've got and we'll do a quick check. So we're looking for the value of x that allows h of x to equal x. So when I put in a negative 180, I should be getting out negative 180. So let me see if that's what I get. I plug in my negative 180 and evaluate. So I did get negative 180, but it's inside those absolute value bars. When I take the absolute value, it's going to come out as a positive 180. So this does not give us the value that we needed. We needed to put in x and get out the same exact x. Not the positive version, but the same exact one. So x equals negative 180 is actually not a solution of our equation. So let me go ahead and plug in the other one and see if that one is. And now I did get that absolute value of 45 over 2, which is 45 over 2. So I got the same output as what I started with, which was 45 over 2. So since h of 45 over 2 equals 45 over 2, that's the number we're looking for. So we only have one solution, and it is x equals 45 over 2. And that is all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.